Hello friends, welcome to Building Web App YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the ngFor structural directive. Here you can see the product list and the products I have displayed and the prices also been displayed. So using the ngFor structural directive, it is displayed in the browser. Let's check the code first. So inside my project, I have created one component called product list. Okay. In the HTML file, I have given the heading and the UL li. Okay. In the li tag, I have used star ngFor. Okay. Which is one of the structural directive. Okay. It is kind of a for loop. So here I'm using let product of products, which means this products is coming from the product list.component file. Okay, so here you can see I have given one property products and it has the value array of objects. Okay, basically what we do to iterate the array we use for, right? In similar way we are using the ngFor. Okay, so this product is the particular object which we are going to take on every iteration. This is for the first iteration, this is the second iteration, and this one is the third iteration. Okay, based on this we are going to print the details. Here you can see the product, which is this product. Okay, don't get confused. The first in the first iteration we are taking the object. Okay, so product dot name, so this name will be displayed, and here this is product dot price. So in the first object this price will be displayed here. Okay, and the second iteration it will take the smartphone and the price, and in third iteration it will take the headphones and its price. Okay, in this way we are using the ngFor structural directive. Most probably we are adding or removing the elements, okay, from the in the UI. Okay, so the browser, based on this, the UI is rendered. Understood? So this is the old way of ngFor syntax. Let me comment it. So the latest way is you can use the at for, okay, like a normal for loop, and inside it we can use the condition the similar way. See, this is the list. When I hover it, you can see it is the product list component and the property products. Okay, and it has the array of object. So it will take single object, okay, from the array, and here it also track the product ID. I'll tell about the track, okay, keyword, and in similar way it is getting printed. Let me save this file to the browser, and see, there is no change at all, but the syntax is the new way. Okay, what track keyword will do means it will track the particular product ID. For example, if we update this name, object name or price, this ID will Angular will check. So it is already present in the DOM. So based on this ID, if I change the name, only this object will be re-rendered in the DOM, not the entire list. Understood? Earlier, uh, it it happened in such a way the entire list will re-render, okay, in the DOM, even if we change a single name, price, whatever, okay. But right now using track, only the particular ID will be re-rendered, which is efficient in real time. If you are displaying 100 records in a table, okay, if you need to update only one record, the whole DOM will be re-rendered when you use this older syntax. But the new way of writing syntax, it is far more efficient. Okay, I think you have understood. If you like the video, please do share the video to the fellow developers, and please do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.